what's up YouTube? As y'all see, today I've officially bought the X6. I've already been driving it pretty much the whole day. BS9 does not know I bought this car. As y'all see, it does self-start with the key. As y'all see, I have actually bought the X6. So I'm gonna show you guys around the car before BS9 because I love you guys more. You know the S9 fans had to see it first. And I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of a POV drive too, late night, in the city, going crazy, chat. So come on, let's take a tour of the X6, man. First, let me show y'all the exterior. This is a 2024, by the way. As y'all see, this is the X6. Just letting y'all see it. Mind you, this ain't even the sports mode, and you hear how it's whining and everything like that. Hold on, stay right there. Let me let the hear room. I'm about to let y'all hear on sports chat. I think y'all heard the pops right there. So now let's go in the interior. This is why I waited till nighttime to show y'all this car though, so y'all can see the interior. As y'all see, the interior is crazy. We got pretty much, I think these are peanut butter doodle. I call them doodle stained seats. This is what I call them, doodle stained seats, because they're brown. And we got the interior lighting, ambient lighting going crazy, chat. I got it's a big blessing getting this car. It's like a damn near $100,000 car, bro. Damn near, like close to that. Y'all look it up, 2024 X6, man. It's crazy expensive. And this one got a little bit of a wide body kit and everything like that. Somebody's calling me right now, it's all good, but I just had to show y'all the car a little bit. Go ahead and show them the back two of the car. You know what I'm saying? Just let them see everything. No, not that back, like right here. You know what I'm saying? Show them the back of the car. As y'all see, still brand new. Everything's still brand new. Looks amazing, looks crazy. I know. WS9 in the comments, man. WS9 in the comments, guys. All right, come back to me, man. All right, man. Give me like a POV right here, you know what I'm saying? As y'all see, about the X6, man. I'm gonna show y'all the clip of BS9 reacting to me buying the X6 later on, because I'm gonna show it to him later on, guys. But peace out, man. And yeah, we buy the X6, man. All right, chat. I'm on YouTube. We in sports mode right now. I just had to get on the highway real quick. I'm about to use the paddle shifters. Yeah, just enjoy the ride, guys. It's the S9 lifestyle. It's the trading lifestyle, boys. You trade and shine with S9, you get money all the time. You can buy nice toys like this. Look at this guy. He trying to beat me in a race. Crazy, man. Get ready. Big review. Take his blindfold off, guys.
Take that off, bro.
Take his blindfold off, guys.
Oh shit.
Hey, you can take it off.
Take it off.
Look, bro.
They abusing that nigga.
Look what I bought you, nigga.
Oh, that shit hard, bro. I ain't gonna
Yeah,
lie.
this is an X6, guys.
Why
Look,
the fuck
bitch,
you bought this shit, gang?
what you mean?
Why did you buy this shit, my nigga?
Bro, I bought it for you.
Why did you
nigga.
buy this shit, nigga?
It's for you.
You got 3 cars, nigga. Why you buying more cars?
It's an X6 though.
Why the fuck are you here, gang? Walk the fuck away. Walk the fuck back. You piece of shit. Why the fuck you buying cars, bro? On some real shit, man.
Listen, bro.
Stop buying me cars, my nigga.
Bro, listen, chat, bro.
Nigga, I already got 3 cars.
Gang, I got
myself,
you a
nigga.
gift, though. I got you a gift also. Guess what? Guess what? I got you a gift.
I don't give a fuck.
Calm
nigga.
down.
I don't give a fuck.
Calm down.
What am I gonna do with money, nigga?
You need money, bro.
Oh my gosh. Nigga.
Come on, bro. I
Fuck,
bought
my
you
nigga.
a gift, gang.
Nigga, what am
Shit.
I gonna do with money, nigga?
DS9 don't like being surprised.
Chat,
on,
BS9 doesn't like surprises, chat.
What am I gonna
Okay,
do
look.
with money?
How about you
nigga?
hop in the car first and then you let me know how you feel? How about that? Here. Wait,
Alright, bro.
Here. Hit the motherfucker. Calm down, bro. Calm down. How you feel, bro?
Yeah,
Hey, come get him. Come
You
get
might
him.
start liking
Hey,
it.
how you
Yeah.
feel, bro?
How you feel?
How you feel, BS9?
Oh shit.
How you feeling, BS9?
Oh shit.
How you feeling, BS9?
To be honest with y'all niggas, bro, you know, it was a bad decision at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? I don't really recommend it. If y'all ain't got money, chat, don't go ahead and get it, gang. But, you know, that nigga FS9 got it. Let's do this shit.
Yeah.
Get this nigga.
I'm getting it, man. This thing phone is like diamond. Got the road? That's it. I'm 27.
Alright guys, this is BS9 here. I am a law-abiding citizen. I am never going above the speed limit. This is all edited in AI. Thank you guys.
Nigga don't know how to drive.